It's that time of the year again where we have to do our part by contributing to the nation. And by that, I mean pay our taxes. While IRAS lets us pay our taxes via gyro installments, it's not exactly the best way because we won't be able to earn any rewards if we just pay like that. So, in this video, I will share 3 better ways to pay your income tax so that you can earn some rewards while doing so. Alright, let's jump right in. The first method is by using the HSBC Everyday Global account to pay via gyro and earn 1% cashback on your bill payments. Wow, so good ah! What's the cash? There's always a cash one. Yup, you're right. But don't worry, it's super easy, barely an inconvenience. All you need to do is make 5 eligible transactions every month. The transactions can be either credit card spends, debit card spends, gyro bill payments, or fund transfers out to a non-HSBC account. So this is super easy, right? Even if you transfer $1 5 times to another account or spend $1 5 times on your credit card, dude, you will have already fulfilled this criteria. But just take note, certain transactions are excluded, like those usual credit card exclusions. Second, every month you need to transfer at least $2,000 into the account. Again, this is super easy to fulfill because as long as you transfer 2K in, dude, you will already fulfill this criteria. Once you fulfill both criteria, you will now earn the legendary 1% cashback on your gyro bill payments. Okay, I know some people will point out that tax payment is excluded, but don't worry, yeah, those are just exclusions for credit card. There's no exclusions for gyro tax payments. Okay, there's actually a third catch, and that is, while IRAS lets you apply for gyro online, they only support DBS, POSB, OCBC, or UOB. For HSBC, you need to manually download the form, fill it up, and mail it back to them. Welcome to the 21st century. But here's the good news. When sending the letter to IRAS, you don't have to include any stamp because it can be mailed postage free. Though, if you want to use this method, you have to chop do it quickly, yeah? Because the tax payments have already started. And it will take about 3 to 4 weeks for the gyro to be set up. But once it's done, you will receive an SMS telling you that it's set up and you are good to go. So that's HSBC EGA. Sign up link down below if you are interested. Good news, Weibo has decided to extend their super generous promotion by another month. By just funding any amount into Weibo and maintaining the funds in the account for 30 days, you will get 5 free shares worth up to $500. But wait, that's not all. This time, you will also get a chance to win a Tesla Model 3. Yeah. So, it's getting super exciting, yeah? Besides the awesome sign-up gifts, Weibo also has some super attractive features, like the Money Boo, which lets you earn up to 4+% interest on your idle funds, in-depth analysis tools, free market data, and a global community. So, if you still have not signed up to Weibo yet, chop quickly sign up for it using my link down below, because this super generous deal will not last long. With that being said, let's get back to the video. Next, CardUp. If you don't know what CardUp is, basically, CardUp is a service where it helps you convert credit card payments into normal payments. This is useful because almost every credit card out there has excluded tax payments. And the only way you can earn rewards on tax payments is to use a service like CardUp. And yes, there's a catch. And the catch is, you have to pay a small fee when you pay through them. So it's super important that you choose the right card, so that after deducting the fees, you will still earn some rewards. So what are the cards that you can use? Let's talk about cashback cards first. CardUp has a list of eligible cashback cards to use on CardUp, but their cashbacks are either too low or spending requirements are too high. The only good cashback card that you can use is the Maybank Platinum Visa card. With this card, all you need to do is spend a minimum of $300 every month for each quarter and you'll get 3.33% cashback. When you use my code KELTAX23, the fee for income tax payments is 1.75%. So 3.33% minus 1.75%, you will still earn a 1.58% cashback. Though, the downside is that the cashbacks are fixed at $30 and $100 depending on which tier you are on. So if you overspend, oh, too bad, you will earn less than 3.33% cashback. As for miles cards, there's a lot more options that you can choose from. The best card to use is the OCBC Voyage Premier, PBC or BOS card, as they give a 1.6 miles per dollar. And if you use the code OCBC15, CardUp will charge a slightly lower 1.5% fee for these cards. When you pay via CardUp, you will also earn miles on the admin fee. So a 1K payment with a 1.5% fee, the cost per mile is 0.92, which is pretty good. If you don't have those cards, the next best cards are DBS Insignia and UOB Reserve, which also give 1.6 miles per dollar. But if you use my code, you will only have to pay a 1.75% fee. With that, the cost per mile is 1.07. However, the problem with these cards is that all of them have a high income requirement. So most of us won't be able to qualify for these cards. So the best alternative is the UOB Privy Miles card, which gives 1.4 miles per dollar. With my code, the fee is 1.75%. So effectively, the cost per mile is 1.23. Moving on, the final method is to pay via Citi PayAll. Citi PayAll is very similar to CardUp, where it converts your credit card payments into normal payments. In the latest Citi PayAll promotion, the fee is 2.2%, which is actually higher than CardUp's 1.75% fee. But the reason why Citi PayAll is better is because you are also earning a much higher 2.2 miles per dollar. So effectively, your cost per mile is 1, which is a better rate than CardUp. Okay, there are two criteria for this promotion. 1. This promotion is only eligible for certain cards, namely Citi Ultima, Citi Prestige, Citi Premium Miles, Citi Rewards, and the Citi Lazada card. And 2. You will need to spend a minimum of 8K before the promotion ends on 20th August 2023. Okay, 8K may sound like a lot, but it's actually not hard to hit, because you can also use this to pay for stuff like property tax, insurance premiums, rentals, school fees, and condo management fees. Here are a few things to take note of. 1. This promotion is only eligible for payments that have been set up from 20th April 2023 onwards. If it is set up prior to 20th April, it won't be eligible. So you will need to cancel the payment and set up again in order to qualify. 2. This promotion is capped at 120K. And most importantly, it only works for one card. If you use multiple cards on Citi PayAll, only the highest spending card will qualify for the rewards. So don't anyhow use this card, use that card with Citi PayAll, yeah. Later you don't earn any rewards, then you know. Finally, if you have not used Citi PayAll within the last 24 months, you will qualify for the $50 Grab gift vouchers when you spend a minimum of 8K via Citi PayAll during the promo period. So those are the 3 best ways to pay for your tax bills. Hopefully, it helps you out. Or if you have any questions, you can join my fast-growing Telegram group to ask any questions that you may have. Like, share, and subscribe, as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.